When something goes wrong in your life, or you get angry, or you may even get stressed, who do you blame? Others or yourself? In other words, who is driving your bus? Hello friends, my name is Arun Bhardwaj, and today I am going to share with you a very interesting story from Buddha which will tell you how to react in these kind of situations. Once Buddha was giving a sermon in a village. Many people had come to listen to him, even people from nearby villages. The sermon was happening in complete silence, only the birds were chirping once in a while. And suddenly, a loud noise came in. All the villagers who were listening to Buddha were startled where this noise is coming from. And they saw a young man shouting angrily and rushing towards Buddha. He was shouting abuses, profanities on Buddha, but Buddha, in his calm nature, ignored this young man's shouting and continued to preach as he normally would. When the young man saw that his angry outburst and abuses were not having any reaction on Buddha, he became even more angry. And he did something which nobody expected. He went to Buddha and spat on his face. Buddha even then stayed calm. He wiped his face and continued to preach the sermon. His disciples and the villagers were very angry. They wanted to hit this young man, but Buddha asked them to calm down, and he did nothing and continued with his sermon. The next day, again, Buddha was giving his sermon in the same village, and again, everything was very calm and peaceful. People were listening very patiently and diligently to each and every word what Buddha was saying. Again, a sudden noise started coming in, and people were startled where this noise is coming from. And what they saw was the same young man who had come in yesterday, but this time he was weeping. He was weeping very loudly, and he told Buddha that, "Oh my Lord, please forgive me. I made a big mistake. I should not have done what I did yesterday. I want you to forgive me." But Buddha, like his nature, did not pay again any heed to his weeping, and he continued to preach the sermon. When the young man saw that his weeping is not having any effect on Buddha, he laid down on Buddha's feet and started banging his head on the ground. And he told Buddha that unless you forgive me, I'm not going to let go of your feet, and I'll continue to bang my head in the ground. So finally Buddha relented, and he said, "Young man, you can stand up now. I did not get angry or disturbed even what you did to me yesterday. And even today, when you are weeping, it did not affect me because it is not something that I did to you. Both these instances were your own problems. I had nothing to do with them." So this is the amazing lesson which Buddha has taught us, that it's not what others do to us, but it is how we react to those situations makes a big difference in our lives. I hope you like the story and you will like to keep calm and composed like Buddha in different situations, so that you can control your life and make the best out of it. I hope you liked today's story. If you did, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. I shall come back to you with another interesting story. Until then, take care, goodbye, and stay safe.